Thank you. Good evening po. Good evening sa all. So cold. So cold here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Thank you so much. Hi. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back. Thank you for 1 million in the house. Who are you? Hi, Craig Daniel. Thank you, Craig. Welcome, Craig. Oh, raining here. My God, raining. So cold. Raining in Manila, di ka ba nilalamig? Oh, 6 people in the house. Thank you so much. So cold. Ever come to Bengalao? Ever come to... No, never. Ever. Healer. Hi, Healer. Malatimentally. Love from Italy. Hi, ma'am. Malatimentally. Thank you for the likes. For 2 likes. It people here. Hello. Oh, sorry, I don't understand Thailand. But hi to you from Thailand. I know what Thailand but I don't understand Thailand word. So cold. So cold. My God, super cold. Thank you for the likes po. Manuel Santos. Oh my god, so cold. No yawning. Yeah. No yawning. Sir Fred. Good evening, Sir Fred. What are you doing? Oh my god. Come on, baby, go no. Kiss Wawa. Hi. Say hi. Hi. And that. Say hi. Sayawan mo. Sayaw. Want to hear a nice song. Want to hear. It's okay. I want to. I sing, but not the candy. But not a candy song. My God, Sir Fred. Hi, Agus. Agus Donk. Good morning, Chris, Lech, Euripides. Sir Fred. So many songs, but why the candy? My God. Thank you, 15 people in the house. Thank you so much. Wow. Your pets. Yeah. Thank you for 5 people. Likes. Hit the likes. Thanks. 15 million. Where are you? Where are you from? 15 people. So cold. Oh my God. That's a great song, and you know it. Oh my God. But not for me. That song is not for me, my God. Oh no. I'm from my mother. You're from your friend. Oh my God. Oh, so cold. My girl. Wala. Okay, nag-oro ka. Nag-ring. Kato na, kanaguran. Why you love me? You're irritated. How do you know what love for you? Kuya yan. Oh, I found my twin sister again. My God. The twin sister is here. I am investigating. Iyan, I'm investigating. You're investigating? Me? Are you investigating me? Lick. Kuya Ian, my God. Liki. Oh my God, the liki. I think mine, she's so busy. He's busy or sleeping, something like that. Oh, I will go out and come back in again. Thank you, Kuya Ian. Thank you so much for joining here. Thanks a lot. Kiss Wawa. Kiss Wawa, dali. Up. My God. Up and down. No. Bird all around. My God. Oh wait, I will be back in 5 seconds. My God. Oh my God. Kuya Ian. Kuya Ian, hello. Hello again. Hello. Kuya Ian, hello again. Have you sent Fred? Yeah. Chris Herrera, hello. Ah, there he is. Hello. My gulay. Where's the lucky guy? Where's the lucky guy? I think he preparing for the passport. Yes. Mike. That's why he busy for passport. Hula Bella. Hi, Vake Diamond. Where's the lucky honey? I'm over here, honey. Hello. 20 people. Hi. 7 likes. Thank you so much. Bejo. I'm over here. He is sleeping right now. Yeah, he's sleeping. He's sleeping. Hi, love. You're looking very happy. Bye. Yes, I'm happy. Vic Damon. Hi. Oh my God. He has doctor at 11:30. Yes, passport. Wow. Oh my God. How you know? He told you, Sir Fred. Wow. Sweet. He's busy. He's busy. He needs to ano, he needs to rest. Hey. Fred knows everything. Yeah. Oh my God. He knows everything. Felt jealous. I'm the body man. I know everything. You need to know something. Just ask Fred. Sir Fred, how many Filipina? How many Filipina ex, Mike? Yes. How many Filipina ex, Mike? Mike, Filipina ex. Even thought Cheryl thinks. Huh? What? Yeah. Sec- Secret? My God. Secret? Why is secret? Online or in real? Online. Filipina. Oh my God. I felt nervous. Oh my goodness. 19. Hi, Big Lon. Hello, my beautiful friend Cheryl. Thank you, Big Lon. Oh, too many. Too many? Hi, Big Lon from Kuya Ian. Oh my God. Only the one you know. Only the one. Okay. Hi, beautiful lady Cheryl. Hi, Donnie. Welcome. Thank you so much again. Oh my God. Sorry. Ano yan? Toko Zaimon. Hi, Toko Zaimon. Uy, wow. Oh, bakit huba ka? Aja baby Mail. Jo. Jose? Jose? Hey Cheryl, you have 4.6 subs. Half of them want to marry you.
Nakahuba ka?
But I'm not as beautiful like you think, Kuya Iya, no. Are you single? No, I'm not single. I'm getting married soon. No, Jose. He has not been in a relationship since divorce except for Lydia. Okay. That's great. Thank you, Sir Fred. Tuko Simon. Oh. Are you going to marry me? No. I'm a real talk, a real life, Donnie. I'm getting married with someone I love, real love. I think it's real. I just marrying Mike. Sir Fred, what do you think? He's really serious, Mike. Oh my God. Yes, he's serious. Beju Bejujo. Oh my God, it's so cold here. Thank you, Big Lon. Oh my God, Big Lon. I get perfect now. Thank you, Big Lon. Thank you so much. I did it perfect now. To pin. Oh my God. Ang ginaw, yes, sumaginaw. Gary Burboy. So lamig. Congrats, Lida, to the lucky one. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you so much. Hello, Ian. Hello, Fred. I didn't see your comments until now because I jump around a lot. Yeah. Thank you so much, Big Lon, for supporting me and everywhere here and YouTube world. Oh, hello, Beg. You're very welcome, Cheryl, my lovely friend. Thanks a lot, Big Lan. The Big Lan. Oh my god, so cold. So cold, very cold. My god. I need to sleep early because tomorrow need to work tomorrow. Big supports a lot of channel, yes. Big Lon, he supports a lot of channels. Oh, alarm, yes. Alarm. Thank you so much, 10 people in the house. Maybe I can't reach 1 hour because sleepy. Stop spamming video, yes. Spam comments. Nonorwa. 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 Yeah, 1 hour because your therapy session is next. Therapy session? What is that? Therapy session. Therapy. Therapy session. Marriage counseling. Marriage counseling. Okay. Marriage counseling. Thank you, Sir Fred. Donnie, double tap your screen, like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Donnie. Aray. Oh, so malamig. I need to sarado na this. So malamig na talaga. Super. Here. I need to end the live now, Sir Fred. Thank you, Kuya Ian. Thank you, Biglan. Donnie, thanks a lot. Cheers, Ian. Thank you so much for supporting. Thanks a lot. God bless. Bye-bye. Sleep early. Cheers, Fred from Kuya Ian. Thank you so much for the sisters. Good night, Mrs. Roller. Good night. Bye-bye. Love you all.